Hello students, I hope you are fine and safe at home. I, Miss Radhika Salunke, your computer teacher, is sharing a video of computer subject. In this video, we will discuss about lesson number first, computer a useful machine. Computer is used in different places such as shop, office, bank, railway station, school, hospital. Now, one by one we will discuss each field and uses of computer. For shop, in shops, computer is used to preparing the bills, to keep the stock details and maintain account details in the shop. Next is in a office. In office, people use computer to maintain employee details, sending and receiving emails, to store the information of official data, biometric for staff attendance, and type letters and make records. Next is bank. In bank, people use computer to maintain customer accounts, to transfer money from one account to another, at ATM counters to get information about accounts, fill up a passbook, withdraw money. Next, at a railway station, computers are used for booking tickets at railway station, to process information about arrival and departure timings of trains, to maintain traffic signal of railways. Metro trains uses computer. Check and cancel reservation. In classroom. In school, as you know, computers are used by schools, teachers and office staff. Teachers use computer for teaching with the help of smart board, making projects, result, teaching aids. In office, staff use computer for office work to maintain fee records and salary details. Students use computer for typing, drawing and projects work. In a hospital, to help in medical test of the patient, to maintain record of patients, to keep information about doctors, to prepare bills. In these lessons, you come to know life is nothing without computer. Students, I hope that you have understood what I had taught you today. Now, let us see a video to get more information about computer a useful is. Please watch the video carefully.
Machine. It is very useful and commonly used by different people at different places in our daily life. It is useful for various kinds of jobs. Let us study the use of computers in different areas of our life. In schools, for teaching various subjects, for helping students in drawing, calculation, learning spelling and grammar, preparing notices, for making results and keeping fee records, keeping students and teachers' details, for fee calculation and making timetable, for keeping record of books in the library, in banks, to maintain customers' accounts, to transfer money from one account to another, at ATM counters, to give information about accounts, at home, listening to music, playing games, solving puzzles, watching films and cartoons, online shopping and bill payments, learning tables, calculations and other lessons, gathering information on any topic, sending emails, booking tickets for movies or travel, storing information, letter writing and making voice or video calls. In offices, to keep records of employees, to maintain salary, leaves and other accounts, to write official letters, print or email them, to communicate with people around the world. Email is electronic mail. In hospitals, to help in medical tests for knowing about the diseases of patients, to maintain records of patients, to keep information about doctors, to prepare bills. In shops, to keep lists and prices of items in the shop, to make and print bills, to keep records of daily sales. In transport, to help in booking tickets of aeroplanes, railways and roadways, to process information about arrival and departure timings of trains, aeroplanes, etc., to maintain traffic signals of railways, roadways and airways. In police department, to keep records of criminals, to match the images and fingerprints for identifying criminals through use of special software. In defense services, to keep the records of all defense equipments, to find the exact location of an enemy, to plan defense activities. In publishing and designing, for making books, magazines and newspapers, etc. For designing greeting cards, posters, wedding cards and visiting cards, etc. For designing buildings, houses and fabrics, etc. In sports, to display scores and results of matches as shown on TV. To maintain the electronic scoreboard for displaying update of the game. For entertainment, for making cartoon films and creating lovable characters like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, etc. To create special effects with graphics. To create special sound effects. To edit sound and video.
Did you like the video? Okay. Children, let's summarize the lesson. In a shop, computers are used to make bills and keep an account of the goods. In an office, computers are used to type letters, find out sales figures, train people and make reports. In a bank, computers are used to fill up passbooks and check money in accounts of their customers. At a railway counter, computers are used to issue tickets, check or cancel the reservation of seats. In a school, computers are used to teach and learn, make a timetable, make the annual result. In a hospital, computers are used to carry out tests, make a record, check a record and make a bill. Students, click on the blue link of exercise. If you have the computer textbook, then write exercise in it. If you don't have, you can write in notebook. Children's, and last, open the MCQ test and solve it. Bye all of you. Take care.